In this Illustrator tutorial, we're going to take a look at how to merge layers together. Now I have a triangle out here and a square, two separate shapes on two separate layers. We can find our layers panel in the window drop down to layers. Trying to merge layers, you probably have multiple layers. What we can do is select both of these or select whichever layers you want by holding Control or Command and clicking to select, or if you wanted to select a list all in a row, hold Shift and click both. Now, once they're selected, we come to the little hidden hamburger drop-down menu up here, and we actually have a Merge Selected option. You can see a few other layer options here, but mainly Merge Selected right there is going to merge those two layers. Basically, what that's going to do is take what's on one layer and just put it into a single layer. So however many layers you had, it's going to put all those objects into one single layer. These are still separate shapes. They just happen to be on the same layer. This doesn't merge the shapes together. If you came here actually wanting to merge elements together, like make these two shapes into one arrow shape, what I would do is select both these shapes and use something called the Shape Builder tool, one of my favorite tools here in Illustrator. Now that they're both selected, I can actually just draw a line through both shapes that I want to merge together, let go, and they've merged together. The other option, of course, would be to select the shapes you want to merge and then come to the Pathfinder options in your Properties panel and just unite those together. Two ways to get to the same result if you wanted to merge shapes together. Now, once these two are merged together, they will actually only exist in one layer. So if the square was in a different layer, it would pull it to a single layer because now this is a single shape. Obviously, it can't exist on multiple layers. But that's how to merge layers and maybe merge shapes, depending on what all you're trying to do, but mainly how to merge layers here in Adobe Illustrator.